seismic activity and magma flowing underground picked up over the last few weeks. The city of Troy is gearing up for its annual grand illumination with festivities and a tree lighting ceremony. The event will be in downtown Troy on Friday, November 24th in the public square. The event starts at 5 p.m. and the tree lighting will start at 7. South Walnut Street to Water Street and parts of the public square will be closed from 6 a.m. to 9 p.m. for this event. And the Food Bank is hosting a food drive at Dixie Twin Drive for the people of North Dayton ahead of Thanksgiving. The drive will be this Tuesday for Dayton residents in need. The drive-through event will start at 10 a.m. and end at noon. Guests will get fresh produce and other products free of charge. This is the last event in a series of mass food drives to help support communities in the Miami Valley. Well, we've been talking a lot about holiday travel, and you're looking at the best days to travel for Thanksgiving.
I think so. Most of the week will be not so bad, but Tuesday is going to be a wet day. They were talking about that storm across the country. What we can expect Tuesday is the chance for some rain. So let's take a look at the Thanksgiving travel day forecast. Now, I'm going to pick, obviously, the earlier in the week you can leave, the better, but not everyone can do that. I would say Monday, if you leave tomorrow, that might not be a bad day. But Tuesday, yeah, that's probably the worst day of the week to travel, at least locally here around Ohio. And maybe even if you're flying out, you might see some delays as far as the rain is concerned because we are looking at a wet forecast. Although it should be kind of mild, but somewhat seasonable with 55 degrees, the high temperature on Tuesday. But Wednesday, things will be drying out. So if you're not leaving till then, it's almost even better just to wait off a little bit, leaving Wednesday. And then Thanksgiving Day itself actually isn't a bad day to travel either. We'll be pretty dry. 40 degrees right now in Dayton, looking at 38 in Sydney, 39 in Belle Fountain, 37 in Wapak, and it's really the 40s down to the south. And we are a little bit milder than this time yesterday, about 2 degrees warmer in Dayton, a 6-degree difference in Sydney. Belle Fountain's about 4 degrees warmer. Looks like Liberty and Wilmington have the biggest difference from yesterday with 7 degrees warmer reading right now than this time yesterday. And the temperature will continue to trend, well, a bit on the seasonable side, actually. We actually got up to, I think, 57 degrees today, so it was actually kind of warm, certainly a little bit above average. You're typically about 51 degrees this time of year. Tomorrow, with some of the increase in cloud cover, that'll keep temperatures a little bit lower when the sun comes out. So really a seasonable day tomorrow, generally seasonable Tuesday. Then you see cooler weather. Now, for a couple days, we were talking about how Thanksgiving is going to be quite a bit colder. And it still is compared to last week. Last week we got in the upper 60s. But this Thanksgiving, it does look milder and milder than what we anticipated a few days ago. If you remember, we had a high of about 38 degrees, but that was 6 or 7 days out. Now that we're getting closer, we're getting a little bit better idea of what to expect as far as the temps are concerned. And right now, calling for a high of 47, still technically cooler than average, but not by a lot. You can see the cloud cover here, most of it off to the west, but some of it is starting to come this way. So expect a few clouds overnight, and you see all that green to the left side of your screen? That's a coming. Maybe not so much tomorrow, maybe a little bit in the evening. We'll see a lot of it Tuesday night. You can see that illustrated here in the Futurecast. Increasing clouds into the morning on Monday, into the afternoon. Here's a look at 3 o'clock. Start to see a little bit of green popping up on the map. By the evening, yeah, the chance for a few showers, but watch as we move into Tuesday morning and then Tuesday afternoon. You see a lot more coverage here before it finally fizzles out a bit, not completely, but then by Wednesday, yeah, we'll start to see some of that clearing, and then Turkey Day should be pretty nice. So 35 degrees for the low tonight with some clouds coming in the next 7 days on your Storm Center 7-day forecast. Yep, really not that far from average. We are cooler into Thanksgiving, but Tuesday, that's the wettest day, and we're mild.
Anything for safety for the children. Absolutely. Yeah, absolutely. That's our future. They're it.
Yeah, kids' safety is on the line. The I-Team has been following the work being done since the deadly school bus crash at the beginning of the school year. The changes that could be coming.